Good morning, students. My name is Shrima Jeevan. I am dealing community health nursing, unit number 2, community health nursing. So, in the last section, we have learned about the nursing diagnosis already started. So, the nursing diagnosis, we are once after the assessment, we can able to understand the what is the current health situations and all. So, what is the problem? So, maybe you diagnose that the disease conditions. So there are three parts I have told you last class, that is description of the problems and specific target will be there, or a group section. Then identify the factors or the cause of the health problem we are identified. Then third one is signs and symptoms of that particular health issues. For a corona means, what is the signs and symptoms means? Fever will be there, COVID-19 condition, fever condition will be there, then headache, throat pain will be there, then coughing will be there. Some people, they will be having some diarrhea and all. Okay, so all those things we can, with the help of the assessment, we can able to understand. So understanding about the disease condition will be there. So identification of nursing diagnosis. So for example, inadequate will be there. So inadequacy. So inadequacy of nursing section will be there. It is related towards the inadequate health informations or services accessibility as evidenced by 70% of the female delivering at the hospital with no antenatal care. Okay. So antenatal care, so inadequacy of the antenatal care related to inadequate health informations and the services accessible as evidenced by. So if you are not giving such a antenatal care, that is pregnancy cares and so what you will be getting? So at the conclusion there will be having certain problems in the antenatal, that is pregnancy time. The second one is poor nutritional status of under 5 children in the community related to knowledge deficit regarding weaning diet as evidenced by growth monitoring chart. Okay, then high infant mortality related to inadequate antenatal care, maternal nutrition and unhygienic delivery practices as evidenced by 75 to IMR 75 to by 1000 live birth. So here what they are giving means 3 sections. So first section, it is bold in nature, that is inadequate ANC, so antenatal care. So that is the first part. Second part, after the related to, second part will be there, and the third part will be there as evidenced by. Okay, first part is boldly they has written, that is inadequate antenatal care. Then second part means after the related to, R bar T we are calling as related to. Okay, so after that one they has written there as a inadequacy health information, so the services accessible. Third part means as evidenced by. Okay, so that is the after that one, what is the signs and symptoms will be going for fighting. Then we'll see the planning. So it is a logic decision making process of the design and orderly detailed programs of actions to accomplish specific goals and objectives based on the assessment of the community and the nursing diagnosis. This one already we have studied. So what is planning means? So as per the assessment and the nursing diagnosis, we will be planning all the nursing care services according to that one. So priority wise nursing care services we will be planning and implement it. Okay. So activities will be there, setting the priority wise we will be giving the nursing care. So ranking wise, so in the once I am teaching, I have told you how you can able to go for setting the priorities and all. So ranking wise we can able to give, or position wise we can give the activities of planning, that is setting the priority wise of nursing care services. We are having only one aim, is that make the patient to recover from the particular disease condition or decrease the health issues. Okay. So for planning, we need a establishing of goals and objectives should be there. So each goals will be having a desired a healthy lifestyle should be there. So certain characteristic they has given here, that is first one is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time bounded. So it is calling as a SMART, SMART. Okay, so it's the first letter you can see is a bolded one. SMART means SMART. So SMART means S stands for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant and T for time bounded. So they will be having some action plans will be there. So it is a specific activities or a method accomplishing the objective. So if you once you are planning the nursing care services according towards the patient health, so we are having goal is there. The person have to recover from the diseases to lead a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so for that one we are having certain plans, nursing care services we are calling planned actions. Then outcome measures. So in that one, what is the evaluation after the nursing care, whether the person is recover from the health issues. Okay, and after doing all the evaluation, we should go for giving the recording plans. Okay, the next one is next phase is implementation. Implementation is putting the plan into the action and actually carrying out the activities according to the priority wise and action the phase of the, so it's calling as a action phase. Okay, implementation care we are calling as a action phase. Why we are calling action phase means, so we are giving the care towards the patient according towards the health issues in a priority wise. Okay, so therapeutic action or a treatment wise we are giving the care to promote the health and prevent the disease conditions and all. We can treat the peoples and recover the peoples from the unhealthy to a healthy lifestyle and solve the health problems. Okay, and support the peoples to recover from the health issues to maintain a good healthy lifestyle. So we are calling as a interventions in the community. So there are certain links are there for a recovery and all. So they are according to the resources, whichever the available resources and collection of data or information or resources, we can address the peoples about their plans. Okay, their needs, plans and solve the health problems. So in order to recover the health of the peoples, you should strengthen their education. So what is that one? So what is the health problem currently they are having, how they can able to recover, so how we can able to prevent the health issues, all those things we can able to give the introduction in a organization way. Then the last one is evaluation. It is a systematic continuous process of comparing the community response with the outcome as defined by the plan of care. So it's an arrangement only. So after the assessment, we will be understanding what is the current health problem. After understanding health problem, we will be planning certain nursing care services according to the health problem. So after planning, you will be informing towards the individuals. So these are the plans which I am going to give the nursing cares. Then after that one, next step is we will be giving the care towards the people. We are calling as a action phase or a implementation. So after giving the care, you should understand, okay, so what is the nursing care which is good or bad for the patient. Okay, so that's why we are calling as a evaluation. So evaluation time, if the person is having fever, already the person had the fever, we has planned to reduce the fever, we has given the medication and all. After giving the medication, we will check once more what is the temperature of the patient. So what is the temperature? So if you are giving the medication means it will go for reducing. Okay, so that's the evaluation time. So whether the patient is recovered from the condition, so fever is reduced or fever is diminished. Okay, so we met the goal. Okay, so sometime we can make it as a 3-part. So we met the goal, partially met the goal, not met the goal. So if you are whatever the nursing care which you has given, it is success means you can able to tell us you met the goal. Okay, so you met the goal. So the patient is recovered from the particular disease condition. So maybe halfly. So fever was reduced, somewhat reduced, but not to the normal level. Okay, so you can tell, so somewhat it has reduced to some extent, it was reduced. So it's a partially met the goal. Okay, so already completely the patient is not recovered. So same temperature relief which you has before the nursing care services, the same maybe as 105 degree Fahrenheit the patient is having. So what is after the nursing care also same the patient is showing 105 degree Fahrenheit means the nursing care is not good. So you has not met the goal. Okay, so you should revise the nursing care services. Then evaluation request is stated purpose, specific standards and the criteria by which to judge and judgment skills. So once we are seeing here the results only of the nursing care services which you has given towards the patient. Okay, hope you has understood the topics. So your topic of community health nursing services, so which will be having the services means you can give the counseling towards the peoples after the assessment, after the evaluation, from the assessment towards the evaluation. So you can able to communicate with the peoples to collect all the data and give a counseling. Okay, so what about the health problem they are having? So how you can able to treat it, so follow up cares, everything we can able to give the education counseling towards the peoples. Okay, so make an awareness about the health problem and factors which is influencing their health issues, and we can able to give. So that's one becoming as a community services to solve the health problem. So meanwhile the unit has completed, that is unit number 2, community health nursing. So after that one we'll go for, once you are writing the care plan, I'll tell you how which are the points you can able to add. So in the next unit, the teachers who is taking the health assessment, they will be guiding you how to go for writing a physical examination. Okay, physical assessment in a age wise. So maybe as a infant, then schoolers, preschoolers, what are the things you can able to add in a physical assessment, and they will be guiding you. Okay, thank you.